the numbers are in and the verdict is out. The numbers, as widely expected, the Federal Reserve kept the funds rate steady at the 4.25% to 4.5% range, extending the pause in its rate cut cycle that Begaluk has increased. Despite the uncertain effects of President Trump's tariffs and an ambitious fiscal policy involving tax cuts and deregulation, officials still anticipate 2/4 percentage points in rate cuts in 2025. The verdict: Wall Street key indices traded steady despite the fact that the Fed's new growth and inflation forecasts caught markets off guard. 2025 GDP growth forecast pegging a 1.7% advance compared with December's estimate of 2.1%. Dot plots also forecast core inflation accelerating to 2.8%, up from its prior estimate of 2.5%. As of recording, GIFT Nifty was flirting above the dotted lines, indicating bullish consolidation ahead for benchmark Nifty. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1097 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 2141 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting oversold conditions on the daily charts, hence technical rebound quite likely. FANO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,500 to 23,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 13.29 levels. At last check, USD INR 26th March expiry has slipped near 86.44. Nifty PCR 27th March is at 1.14 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 27th March is at 1.28. Nifty outlook: bullish consolidation is quite likely. That said, volatility shall persist. Nifty CMP 22908. Biggest make-or-break intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 22,700 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 23,150 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 22750 and 23050. Bias for the day is bullish. Bank Nifty CMP 49703. Bank Nifty's biggest interweek support at 48,300 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday resistance is now at 50,650 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 49,250 to 00. Bias for the day is bullish. Worries over Trump tariffs continue. Traders will be eager to know what 2nd April brings, as on this date plenty of new tariffs are expected to become effective. Hopefully, negotiations which are taking place turn out to be a win-win situation for all. Amongst stock-specific action: 1. Broader markets are seen jumping out of gate as in yesterday's trade, with Nifty Mid-Cap and Nifty Small-Cap Index flaring up plus 2.4% each. 2. Indigo scaled new all-time high at 5,053 on reports that the airline is targeting 40% international seats by FY30, up from 28%. Fleet expansion, new routes, and premium seating are likely to drive growth. Indigo is aiming 600-plus planes. 3. Defense stocks were in limelight in yesterday's trade, driven by global developments that promise increased demand for defense equipment. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers surged 20%, Mazago Dock Shipbuilders and Cochin Shipyards saw 10% each, while Paras Defense and Hindustan Aeronautics (HAL) also gained significantly, rising 6.5% and 5.3% respectively. 4. Shares of sugar companies like Renuka plus 5% and Balrampur Chini plus 7% were in limelight in yesterday's trade amidst expectations of a significant drop in sugar production across the top 3 states, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Uttar Pradesh. 5. The stock price of Shriram Finance was in demand on reports that it is looking to consolidate its gold loan business and increase the market share in the coming quarters. 6. Vodafone Idea share gained 5% on rolling out 5G services in Mumbai. Technically, the stock has major support at its March 2023 low at Rs 5.70.